Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this tiny rose ring. For this rose ring, we'll need mercerized cotton thread number 8, red and green color, 0.5 mm crochet hook, sewing needle and hair straightener. Firstly, start with red thread and make slip knot and 38 chain. Next, 5th chain from the hook, 1 double crochet and skip 2 chain, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Again skip 2 chain and 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat till end of the chain and make 12 V-shaped spaces. Now turn and make chain 2. This is the starting of petal 1. 1 single crochet and 5 double crochet in the first space. And do 1 single crochet in next stitch. Repeat for 2 more times. The first 3 petals are now completed. To start with petal 2, make 7 double crochet in the V-shaped space and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. We'll repeat this for 3 more times. For petal 3, 9 double crochet in the V-shaped space, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this for 4 times. Cut the thread a few inches for sewing. For the ring, make a slip knot with green thread. Make 28 chain. Slip stitch in the first chain. Next, chain 2, 1 half double crochet in 27 chain. Slip stitch in the second chain of chain 2. Pull the thread about few inches and cut. Lastly, shape it and sew it to the ring. Now the beautiful ring is ready. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe.